Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making mini pumpkin cakes.
But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. All right, let's get started.
So go ahead and start off by mixing up your favorite cake batter. Here I happen to be making cinnamon. I'm scooping the batter into a jumbo cupcake liners. I find they work a little bit better than a standard size cupcake. Bake the cupcakes according to directions and allow them to cool completely before removing them from the liners. We'll take a serrated knife and round out the top corner edges so they're not sharp. We'll also carve out a small piece in the center where the stem will go. Once you're happy with that, turn the cupcake on its side and slice it in half. And fill it with your favorite frosting. Here I'm using cream cheese frosting. It pairs very well with the cinnamon cupcakes. We'll crumb coat the outside, which is just a thin coat of frosting to trap in any crumbs. After crumb coating, go ahead and put this in the refrigerator to chill for about 15 minutes or so. Next, we'll sprinkle down some powdered sugar and roll out orange fondant. If you would like my marshmallow fondant recipe, you can click the link above. I'll also put it in the description down below. We'll take our chilled cupcake and lay the fondant right over the top, smoothing down the edges. We'll trim off the excess, leaving a little rim around the edge. We'll tuck that underneath the cupcake. And don't forget about that indent for the stem. We'll add some texture to the sides of the pumpkin. Here I'm using a Dresden tool to form some lines down the sides of the cupcake, leaving about an inch apart. And then just adding a few more smaller lines on the top. Once you're happy with that, we'll move on to the stem. We'll take a tan or brown colored fondant, roll that into a cylinder. We'll fan out the bottom edges and place that on top of the cupcake. And again, we'll use the Dresden tool just to add some texture. Next, we'll take green fondant and roll that into a thin snake. This will be for the vine of the pumpkin. We'll take that green fondant snake and wrap it around something round. Here I'm just using that Dresden tool. You can also use like a straw or something. We'll place that right beside the stem. We'll take some more green fondant, roll that out thin so that we can cut out a small leaf. And there you have it, really simple and easy mini pumpkin cakes.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.